in today's video I'm going to teach you why you should never buy a cheap air suspension strut. Today I'm not the car guy.
Climate.
I think I've told too much stuff lately. It's getting weird. I've tried this one as many times as I've used it. Onward! Well, we are on the rescue mission, so my friend has sent us this detail. Let's see what we get. We got them. Vägbeskrivning. There we go. We are 2 hours and 39 minutes away. Yeah. I convinced my friend buying an Audi A6 all-road. Then he bought the suspension struts from a place. And now I'm driving 2 hours and 39 minutes to save his ass. But we are in the Audi, so life is good. Onwards! Oh my god, we're in traffic jam. Look at what I found! A multipla! Oh my god! You don't see that every day, do you? Oh my god. I tried to film what a beauty. What a I think we found the legend! We found oh, look how sad! How sad isn't that? That's so sad! Oh my god! Well, like 3-ish hours later, we found him. And here we got today's victim of the day. Here he is. So we finally find him. Let's tow him once again. It's actually the same trailer we used when we towed all other cars, so it's kind of funny.
Du får sitta där nu.
As always on Out Corner, we try to do some adventurous stuff. So today I finally convinced my friend to buy an Audi A6 all-road, but it broke.
Han har klättrat ur fönstret.
6 timmar. Jävla bror, man har tränat gymmet och grejer.
Så fortfarande.
wonder how an Audi A6 towing out an Audi A6 looks like? Well, here is your answer. Look at that! Look! I think we find a secret way to get range in an Audi A6 3.2. You just have another car towing you. Messy. So we got the car back, towed it back, everything is good. But this is actually a very important lesson. What happened was that the air suspension thing, it basically exploded. The air strut exploded, which is actually very dangerous. It could hurt the other parts of the car. Luckily it didn't. My friend bought it from this company, which is called skroten, which is just some kind of shit company here in Sweden. And it was really shit quality. So if you're planning to buy an air suspension strut, buy one that's called Arnett. I'm gonna show you. There you got the brand, Arnett. Costs a little bit more, but it's actually better quality than OEM, and you won't have a problem. Have to drive 6 hours to fix the car. So important lesson learned here, and this is basically top tips that you basically get nowhere else in the entire world, especially not on YouTube, but you get it here on AutoCar. Quality.
Hands looking like a gun, I think I'm ready to die. I got my praying and emojis pointed up at the sky. Why you tell me that you love me, but I'm just not the guy. You always say you don't need me, but you're happy to see me. You hold my